In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cassie!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another set of DIY projects. So in today's projects, I am going to be using all dollar store materials to create some spring home decor, and this home decor is going to be perfect for like a spring brunch or a Easter brunch setting for some table decor. So if you want to see how these pieces turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So first up is going to be this spring modern table runner, and I'm going to be using this shelf liner as the base. So I'm just trimming off some of the extra material that I don't need, and I'm just going to cut the shelf liner to the length of the table that I'm going to be placing it on. So this table runner is going to have a 3D effect to it, and I'm going to be using all of the felt, floral, and spring pieces that I got from the dollar store. To start off the runner, I'm going to be using this felt floral garland piece, and so I'm just kind of laying out and unraveling the garland, and I'm just using some hot glue to add towards the border of the edges of the shelf liner. And I'm just continuing the same process to the end of the liner. And then it's time to flip it over and complete the same border process for the other side. And after I have all of the border adhered, then I'm just adding some glue to the leaves and placing those and adhering those to the liner as well. And now I'm using the larger felt tulips that I placed out in the beginning, and I'm going to be spacing those out and adhering those on top. For the finishing touches of the runner, I decided to add these felt daisies that I've had in my craft stash, and I'm just going to space these out and adhere these to the runner as well. And for the next piece of decor to tie everything together, I'm grabbing these two fabric floral mats from the dollar store as well. And then I used my Cricut and some remaining puff vinyl that I already had that I've used in previous projects. And I just cut out the words Brunch Club, and I'm going to use my iron to adhere that to the mat. And I'm still working on adding a heat press to the tools list because I feel like a household iron just doesn't get the job done the way that I would like for it to with the puff vinyl, but it does give some texture. And to make everything look cohesive, I'm adding some of the same garland that I had left over from the runner, and I'm just going to be placing some of the pieces and adhering that on the mats as well. Then for the next piece of the decor, I decided to tie everything together with this floral centerpiece, and I'm going to be using this foam rectangle block as well as this glass vase that I've used in a previous project, and I'm going to be reusing it. And I'm just going to add some glue and stick that onto the foam, and then stick in these different floral pieces that I have in my craft stash. And I also decided to add a couple of these plastic Easter eggs with some skewers into the floral arrangement as well. Thanks for watching. Check the description box to shop some of my favorites, deals, and finds, and subscribe to see what I'm crafting next.